rescue team! Emergency! Which dinosaur should we help first? Choose a teammate and a dinosaur companion. Let's go for the... Magic watch! Let's summon dinosaurs! Tyrannosaurus Rex! Kiki, leave these Dilophosaurus to me! Break the armors of This is Venom. Shock Lightwave! Go after them! Look at this! Shock Lightwave! Shock Lightwave! Shock Lightwave! Go after... Look at this! Recharge! Shock Lightwave! Look at this! Shock Lightwave! Shock Lightwave! Mission completed! All Dilophosaurus have recovered. Next, let's leave it to Kiki! A street light has fallen. Let's put it back in place. Use the power bracelet to lift the street light. Oh no! The street is covered with trash! Let's clean it up. Drag and... What a giant crack! It's too dangerous. Let's use the restorer to make cement and seal the crack first. Turn it to find the cement. Next, use the magical flashlight to dry the cement. I'm very sorry for making a mess on the street. Little Panda Rescue Team, thanks for your help. Here are some crystals for you.